Good day, sir. I am Rexman Bacaresa from BSMT1 Antares. So for today's topic, I'm going to discuss about free surface effect. Free surface effect refers to the tendency of liquids in partially filled tanks or compartments to shift when a vessel rolls or pitches, affecting its stability. Surface effect and what is its impact on the ship's stability when the ship is listed. A tank is completely filled with a liquid. The liquid cannot move and acts as a static weight. Center of gravity of the ship remains unchanged. So the picture shows the listed ship where the tank is filled with liquid. So assume that the ship floats at the same draft with the same kg with the tank partially filled. If the ship leads, the liquid flows to the lower side, causing the center of gravity of the liquid to shift to G1. This results in the center of gravity of the ship moving to G1. This effect is called the surface effect. As a result, the vessel suffers an apparent loss of Gm, which is equal to Ggx, and hence the metacentric height is Gxm. So, Gz, the rating lever, is also reduced by an amount which is equal to Gzz. This virtual loss of Gm can be calculated. It is called a free surface correction or FSC. In order to indicate where the free surface correction has been applied or not, the Gm before subtracting the free surface correction is called a solid Gm. The Gm attained after applying free surface correction is called a fluid Gm. In all stability calculations, you will use fluid Gm. So that's all for today's topic, sir. Thank you, sir.